Welcome to Rehab Snacks, bite-sized rehab exercises to support your recovery after breast cancer. Today's session is just 7 minutes and we're focusing on shoulder mobility and strength. If you're doing this rehab as a repeat, you can jump ahead to the beginning of the session. There's 4 exercises and we'll do 45 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, and repeat this for 2 rounds. I'm filming this at the gym, but you can easily do it at home. No warm-up needed and no need to change into gym clothes. In terms of equipment, you don't need anything. Just hit play and follow along with me. Check with your medical team if you're doing this before 6 weeks post-surgery to see if this is appropriate for you. Let's do a quick review of the exercises. For scapular liftoffs, place one hand against your lower back or as high up as you're able to get it. Lift your hand off your back as far as you can and then slowly release. If your hand barely moves off your back, that's okay. The goal isn't to raise many inches off your back, it's to move just a little bit with control. For the mid-back squeeze, rotate your arms outwards so that your thumbs point behind you. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as you rotate back, and then think about drawing your shoulder blades down and in, almost like you're tucking them into your back pockets. This exercise helps to open up the front of the chest and activate the mid-back muscles. For retractions, bring your arms up so your elbows are bent at 90 degrees. Gently pull your elbows back, squeezing between your shoulder blades. Hold with tension and then return to the starting position. You should feel the back of your shoulders and mid-back working. Here we go with the first round. That's your rehab snack for today. Short and sweet, but powerful for your recovery. Have an awesome day.